Hi, my name is Moni and you're welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get rid of your skin tag naturally. A lot of people have asked me to make this video, and that is exactly what I'll be doing in this video. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And to my returning subscriber, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It will help this video to reach a wider audience. So what is skin tag? Skin tag is when you have a skin growth on the top layer of your skin, causing you to have a dark brown or a light mold on the top layer of your skin. So before now, I've been thinking about the exact cause of skin tag, because the first time I had skin tag, I was really scared. I was thinking about what causes it. Am I having a midlife crisis, or do I have a terminal disease that is showing on my skin? I was really scared until I asked a colleague of mine, and she showed me a lot of skin tags on her back. So I was quite relaxed and I made a research. Google said skin tag usually occurs when you are overweight or when you have type 2 diabetes. But I don't believe in that, because the first 2 times I had skin tag, I wasn't overweight, neither did I have diabetes. So enough of all the long story, let's get right into the video. I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 mixtures you can apply on your skin to get rid of your skin tags. And the second method, I've tried that out the first 2 times I had skin tag. This will be my 3rd time of having skin tag. I don't know if you can see the skin tag here. It's quite small. So the first 2 times I had skin tag, I'm going to be showing you what I used, and on this particular skin tag, I'm going to be showing you what I'll be applying on it, and I'll leave a review in my next video or in this particular video. So let's get right into the video.